Balance is important because we need it for our daily living. Simple movements like standing, walking and running needs balance to be performed, if not we will trip and fall, and get injured. Balance is controlled by the brain, receiving information from our vestibular, visual and proprioceptive input. The brain then commands the body, ensuring we do not fall. As we age, balance is important as our three inputs for balance deteriorates, thus we are more prone to falling. Our bones and muscles also get weaker, and so if we fall, the chances of injury are higher. We will now introduce an exercise you can do at home. Follow the steps to this exercise, and make sure you are careful as you might fall if you do this. That's the end of this 1-minute video. Please like and subscribe.